Because my one phone no have casing, eh?
Do you have cover for
This one is
the
not
one
plastic,
like
right?
this?
Yeah, this is a plastic.
Okay.
You have to remove this.
It's with magnetic.
Sis? Guys, there you go, sis. Sister.
Where are you?
How much?
What here? Where?
I can fit in it. Try if it will. Don't remove it. I want to try with my charger.
And then? Yes. Aha, you go there. What about this one outside?
Yeah,
Ah,
it's all to also remove.
too much
This one.
plastic.
Now you see, this is a nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sister. Thank you so much.